Okay, so Vikas is asking a question that if I know any antidote of injection adrenaline. So to be honest, when I read this question, immediately it didn't strike me. But when I gave a thought on this question, what I realized that adrenaline is something which we used in CPR or ACLS protocol, and it's a life-saving drug. So technically, no antidote came into my mind. But later on, I realized that many patients who had an history of anaphylaxis in the past, or those who are allergic to something which can trigger anaphylaxis in these patients, so they carry a device which we call as EpiPen. It's a device EpiPen in which there is a epinephrine is there, and it is injected in the thigh. It's an automatic dosing schedule is there. So whenever they suffer an anaphylaxis attack, they inject into the thigh, so that by the time they reach the medical help, or the medical help reaches that, the adrenaline saves them from deadly anaphylactic shock. So, but at times it happens that that EpiPen can get injected into the digits and into the intra-arterial system, and the capillaries basically, and it can cause digital ischemia, numbness, at times cyanosis, like that. So, in that particular condition, phentolamine is the drug of choice. It's a alpha blocker, and which helps to restore the blood circulation in that particular scenario. But I must tell you, it's still not the choice of treatment in digital ischemia secondary to EpiPen. What one should do, what is the literature say that warm the fingers, nitroglycerin paste is also there, which can be applied. And then, if not resolved, then phentolamine can be used locally, injected near the finger under supervision, and especially if the patient is having peripheral vascular disease, also that. So theoretically, alpha antagonist phentolamine is the antidote for injection adrenaline in cases of digital ischemia. Not very detailed literature is available on that, but there is a good article, good study on some patients which are there available on the PubMed. So you can go and browse antidote of EpiPen or antidote of epinephrine in digital ischemia. So thank you for asking, and do read more about it. Thank you.